how to add or remove languages to on-device speech recognition on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then we swipe down at the top, and in the quick settings panel, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, then tap on security and privacy. After that, we scroll down, then tap on more privacy settings. Now in here, go down and tap on Android System Intelligence, and then tap on on-device recognition. Next, tap on Add Language to add in more offline speech language. And go down the list here and select a language that you want to add. So here I'm going to choose English UK, then tap on Download. Okay, so we're just going to wait for that to finish, the download to finish. If you swipe down at the top, there is a status telling you that when it will be finished. Alright, so tap on the back key, and to remove a language, you tap on the Advanced button right there to expand the list. And from here, you can tap on the language, then tap on Uninstall, and that will remove the downloaded language for the on-device speech recognition. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.